Hi everybody, welcome to Jin's Wall Street News. Federal Reserve Governor Christopher Waller delivered remarks on Monday, quote, monetary policy should proceed with more caution on the break pace of rate cuts than was needed at the September meeting, end quote. Shares of ASML, a semiconductor equipment maker, tumbled 16% on Tuesday after the company reported financial results. According to the CME FedWatch Tool, traders are pricing in a 94% chance for 25 basis point cut in the Federal Open Market Committee meeting in November. 10-year Treasury yield decreases to 4.04% on falling oil prices. U.S. stocks fell Tuesday. S&P 500 lost 0.76% and the Nasdaq Composite dropped 1.01%. Federal Reserve Governor Christopher Waller delivered remarks at the Hoover Institute on Monday, quote, most recently, we have seen upward revisions to GDI, an increase in job vacancies, high GDP growth forecast, a strong jobs report, and a hotter than expected core CPI report. This data is signaling that the economy may not be slowing as much as desired. I view the totality of this data as saying monetary policy should proceed with more caution on the break pace of rate cuts than was needed at the September meeting. Whatever happens in the near term, my baseline still calls for reducing the policy rate gradually over the next year. Shares of ASML, a semiconductor equipment maker, tumbled 16% Tuesday as its guidance disappointed investors. The company reported 7.5 billion euros of net revenue for its third quarter, up 20% from the previous quarter, and 2.1 billion euros of net income, up 32% from its second quarter. So the company beat on the top and bottom line. However, when it comes to the guidance, the company expects 2025 total net sales to be a range between 30 billion euros and 35 billion euros, which is lower than the range between 30 billion euros and 40 billion euros that the company had previously announced. ASML President and CEO Christopher Waller said, quote, while there continue to be strong developments and upside potential in AI, other market segments are taking longer to recover. It now appears the recovery is more gradual than previously expected. This is expected to continue in 2025, which is leading to customer cautiousness. According to the CME FedWatch Tool, traders are pricing in a 94.1% chance to reduce 25 basis points of the federal funds rate, up from 80.3% on October 10th, and a 5.9% chance to remain at the same rate in the FOMC meeting in November. 10-year Treasury yield moved up and down as the CPI numbers came in stronger than expected in September, while the number of Americans claiming unemployment benefits jumped unexpectedly in the week ending October 5th. The yield fell as the producer price index was flat in September, slightly lower than expected. Then the yield rebounded, but it drops again as oil prices fell on Monday. For the U.S. stocks, S&P 500 fell 0.76%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average lost 0.75%, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq dropped 1.01%. Okay, this is the end of today's news. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.